How to apply fade automation for smooth transitions in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Then navigate to the audio editing tools section and select the simple trim tool. Import the audio file you want to apply the fade to. Once the audio loads, you will see the fade option under the edit section. Tap on it and inside type, you will find fade in, fade out or both, giving you control over how the audio transitions. By adjusting the fade curves, you can control how quickly or slowly the audio ramps up and down. The app's real-time preview makes it easy to hear your changes immediately, so you can fine-tune each fade for the perfect balance. Once you are satisfied with your fades and transitions, tap the Save button to apply the changes and save your final audio track. Now you know how to apply fade automation for smooth transitions in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.